The average, that is the arithmetic mean of two numbers, is half of x plus 1. If one of the numbers is x, what is the other number? So we have been given that the first number is x, and let the second number be equal to a. Now we take their average, that is x plus a upon 2, and this average value is equal to half of x plus 1. Now here we separate the denominator in the left hand side, so we have x upon 2 plus a upon 2 is equal to, now half of x could be written as x upon 2 plus 1. Now cancelling x by 2 on both the sides, we have a upon 2 is equal to 1. Now multiplying by 2 on both sides, 2 cancels with 2. So therefore we have a is equal to 2. So the other number is 2, which is option D.